We interrupt our programming for wasting important. Please stand by. You are now watching the BBC One. Now this our programming for wasting time of the Majesty government has been filled. The message we now the time to us. We merge to emergency broadcast service for later officially. Feel to this. There isn't a proof about the Prime Minister. Tony Blair has been detected, corrupted. There will be fine to check it, but it'll be fine to calm. Realizing to remain stand up and ready for the stop corrupted. We must to stop now. That's all information. Thanks. But we're the corrupted or we must again normal programming for resume the time being.